Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. The first thing you have to do is to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok on your device. So you just have to go to your Play Store or your App Store and check if your device is the latest version by clicking on the search option there. Type in TikTok app. My device is the latest option, that is why I don't have option for update there. The next thing you have to do is to head straight to your TikTok app. So on my TikTok app, I just have to click on my profile app, click at the three dot at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, click on notifications, look for notification, click on notification. So make sure that all your notification toggle is being turned on. Make sure they are being turned on. And you still have problem with repost option. What you have to do is to go out from your notification, click on the settings and privacy, scroll down, click on report a problem, search for repost not working. Search for repost not working and click on app not responding. You can see these few steps that we are giving to you there in order to make it restart. So you can just follow the steps, clear your cache, restart your TikTok, restart your device, upgrade to the latest version as I said before now. So if after trying that is not working, you just have to click on no, click on need more help, and type in your request to TikTok, and within 24 hours TikTok will give you reply to your problem. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.